Hi everybody, I am at an absolutely gorgeous toy collection in the Midwest that I just wanted to share because it's quality, 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 and I'm going to get into some details, so stay tuned. Up here we've got a gorgeous Jeep Woody model, and that's a toy I know a lot less, but I've seen in a couple of the top collections. We've got a beautiful Atom Jet, and the Atom Jet is a complementary piece to the Dream car. Look at that. That Dream car is what? Brown, tan, almost a golden red, blue. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Next to an Atom, next to the Mac. Some great boxes, and then you go down a shelf. La Holte did this Vespa in the back, French, Messerschmitt, Rover, just great cars. I'm a big fan of the standard coffee as well as the Say It With Flowers and the Volkswagen. And then you go and you see Rolls, Ford, Jaguar, Corvette, and get down further. Gorgeous Mercedes, the Adenauer, Fastback, Thunderbird, and I'm really a big fan. I think that's an SSS truck or two. Here's a real fun oddity. Everybody knows this maker from the 50s. Otherwise, you don't know it. It's a Nash. So it is a Nash with station wagon and original roof, original luggage on the roof, which is great, crazy. You don't normally see a truck, let alone a Rover and a beautiful car collection, but this Rover really deserves it next to the three-wheel Messerschmitts.